Bonjour et bienvenue à French learning classes. So today I am going to teach you the prepositions in French language. So prepositions are words that link two related parts of a sentence. In French, they are usually placed before the nouns or pronouns to indicate the connection between the noun or pronoun, verb or adjective, etc. Okay. These are the prepositions. Okay. So today we will learn these same prepositions in French language. So this is the first rule. In front of city's name, we utilize a. Okay. For example, vous habitez à Bruxelles. So if we have a sentence and in this sentence we use a, okay, in front of the city name. So in this sentence, Bruxelles is a city. Okay. Bruxelles a ville is a city. So we have to use a as a preposition in front of Bruxelles. Okay, because Bruxelles is a city. That's why we use a. Okay, and the second rule is in front of country's name we utilize O for masculine country. Okay, if we have a masculine country, then we used O. Okay, AU, O, and as a preposition, and if we have a plural country then we use AUX. Okay, and pronunciation of O and O is same. Okay, so we use O for plural country. So let's see the examples. Example number 1, vous travaillez au Canada. Okay, vous travaillez au Canada. So Canada is a masculine country, that's why we use O here. And second example, vous allez aux États-Unis. Vous allez aux États-Unis, that means you go to the United States. Okay, you go to the US. So États-Unis is a plural country, that's why we use AUX O here, okay, as a preposition. So this is the rule number 3rd. Okay, in front of country's name we utilize on. Okay, we utilize on, en, with a feminine country. Okay, for feminine country we use en as a preposition in a sentence. Okay, and feminine country as well as start with a vowel. If a country name start with a vowel, okay, commence avec vowel, then we used en, okay, en as a preposition in a sentence. So we see this example. Je vais en France et en Italie cet été. Okay, je vais en France et en Italie cet été. That means I go to the France and Italy this summer. Okay, cet été, this summer. So we use en here because France is a feminine country. Okay, that's why we use en. And here we use en because Italy is a country which start with a vowel. Okay, this is a start with a vowel I. That's why we use, as well as I, as well as Italy is a feminine country. Feminine country as well as this start with a vowel. That's why we use en here. Okay, according to this rule. So je vais en France et en Italie cet été. Okay. Okay. So this is a short revision of these rules. Okay. Rules of prepositions. So number 1, a plus wheel. That means a is used for wheel. Wheel means city. Okay. A is used in front of cities. Second, O plus masculine pay. Pay means country. So for masculine, with masculine country we use O. Okay, and third, O plus plural pay. That means plural countries we use O with plural countries. And number 4th, O plus feminine pay. Okay, that means with feminine country we use O. Okay, so now we have an exercise of prepositions. Okay, in this exercise you have to put prepositions in the following sentences. Okay, so we see number 1, nous habitons dash États-Unis. Okay, that means you live in US. Okay, you live in United States. États-Unis. États-Unis État uni is a plural country. Okay, plural country. So for plural country we use O as a preposition. Okay, we use O, AUX. Okay, now second, elle travaille dash Paris. Okay, elle travaille. She work in Paris. Okay, she work in Paris. Elle travaille dash Paris. So what we have to put in this sentence? Paris is a wheel. Okay, Paris is a city. So for city we use a. For city we use a. Okay, she work in Paris. Now third, est-ce que tu viens dash Belgique? Okay, est-ce que tu viens? So are you coming to Belgique? Are you coming to Belgique? So for Belgique is a country feminine. Okay, Belgique is a feminine country. So for feminine country we use on. For feminine country we use on. Okay, so are you coming to Belgique? Okay, this sentence mean. Now fourth, mon voisin part dash Maroc. Okay, mon voisin, my neighbor. Part means go. Part is a verb, partir. Okay, part is a verb, partir, which means go. Okay, go or leave, we can say leave. So my neighbor go to Maroc. Okay, Maroc is a masculine country, so we use, for masculine country we use O. Okay, we use O as a preposition. So these four sentences are from prepositions. Okay, I hope you understand well with these sentences. So these are your prepositions. Okay, and this is a part 1. You have to stay tuned with me for part 2, and we will cover the rest of the prepositions in part 2. Okay, so please subscribe, like and share with your friends this video, and merci beaucoup. Au revoir.